Hey friends, if you wish to fix no healthy upstream error on your browser, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart the wireless router. It's simple, just switch it off and then switch it on. The next one is to use the in private browser window. How would you do that? For any Chromium based browser, even Microsoft Edge, just click on these three dots at the top right corner and select in private window. Okay, and lastly, you can update your browser. How would you update your browser? Let's say it's Microsoft Edge. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select help and feedback, and finally click on about Microsoft Edge. It will start checking for updates and update it to the latest version. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.